Commercial window installation. Fat City LA supports retail spaces, offices, and multifamily properties that need reliable performance, curb appeal, and better interior comfort. Businesses looking for window contractors. Fat City, Louisiana often want fast scheduling, licensed workmanship, and modern window designs that improve storefront visibility while reducing maintenance. Energy-efficient windows. Louisiana, noise-reducing windows, and storm-resistant windows can help lower utility costs and create a more professional environment, making commercial window installation in Fat City, Louisiana a practical upgrade for long-term property value. Residential window replacement. Fat City LA is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, style, and efficiency in older homes and newer houses alike. Homeowners searching for Fat City LA replacement windows, Fat City LA home improvement windows, or a home window upgrade. Fat City, Louisiana often choose vinyl windows, double pane windows, or triple pane windows for insulation and durability. Residential windows in a variety of styles, including casement windows, sliding windows, picture windows, bay windows, and custom windows, can transform the look of a home while also supporting drafty window solutions and better energy performance. Window repair in Fat City, Louisiana is essential for homeowners and businesses dealing with cracked glass, broken hardware, damaged seals, or frame deterioration. Local window repair. Fat City LA services can include emergency window repair, window sealing, window frame repair. Fat City LA, and window glass replacement. Fat City, Louisiana for properties that need prompt attention. Whether the issue is a damaged sash, failed seal, or impact-related break, window repair and window frame replacement can restore security, improve insulation, and extend the life of existing residential windows and commercial windows. Window replacement. Fat City LA are a smart choice for anyone wanting to reduce heat transfer, improve indoor comfort, and lower air conditioning costs in the Louisiana climate. Double pane window replacement. Fat City LA and triple pane windows can help minimize outside temperature changes, while vinyl replacement windows. Fat City LA often provide excellent value and low maintenance. For homeowners comparing replacement window contractors, energy-efficient windows, noise-reducing windows, and storm-resistant windows offer strong benefits for both comfort and resale value in Fat City, Louisiana. Window installation. Fat City LA projects often include new construction windows, custom window installation. Fat City, Louisiana, and replacement window installation for older structures needing updated performance. Window installers in Fat City LA can help match the right products to the property, whether the goal is modern window designs, vinyl windows, bay windows, picture windows, or casement windows. From initial measurements to final window sealing, professional window installation helps ensure a weather-tight fit and long-lasting results for homes and businesses throughout Fat City, Louisiana. Affordable window replacement. Fat City LA is important for property owners who want quality upgrades without overspending. Many homeowners search for window replacement near Fat City LA, same-day window replacement. Fat City LA, or the best window company in Fat City, Louisiana when time and budget matter. Louisiana window replacement specialists can recommend cost-effective options such as vinyl replacement windows, double pane windows, and residential window replacement in Fat City LA that deliver strong value, long-term durability, and improved energy efficiency. Storm window replacement. Fat City, Louisiana is a valuable solution for properties exposed to heavy rain, wind, and changing weather conditions. Storm-resistant windows, secure window sealing, and high-quality window frame replacement can help protect homes and commercial buildings from leaks and drafts during severe weather. In Fat City, Louisiana, many property owners also request drafty window solutions and emergency window repair after storms, making licensed window contractors. Fat City LA a critical resource for fast, dependable service. Bay window replacement in Fat City LA and sliding window installation. Fat City LA are popular choices for homeowners wanting to upgrade aesthetics and function at the same time. Bay windows can create more natural light, visual space, and architectural character, while sliding windows provide smooth operation and easy ventilation. For Fat City LA home improvement windows, these styles can be paired with energy-efficient windows, modern window designs, and custom windows to create a polished look that suits both classic and contemporary homes. Window frame replacement and window frame repair. Fat City LA are often necessary when moisture, age, or structural damage has affected the integrity of the opening. Even with quality glass, worn frames can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and operational issues, which is why replacement window contractors frequently inspect the full window system before recommending a solution. House window upgrades in Fat City, Louisiana often include framework, window glass replacement, and window sealing to improve performance and preserve the building envelope. Vinyl replacement windows. Fat City LA remain one of the most requested products because they combine affordability, durability, and low maintenance for local homeowners. Vinyl windows, double pane windows, and custom windows are especially attractive for residential window replacement in Fat City LA because they can be tailored to fit unique openings while supporting energy-efficient Windows Louisiana goals. Whether the project involves window replacement, Fat City LA, Fat City Louisiana window replacement, or window installation for a renovation, the right materials and licensed window contractors can deliver lasting results in Fat City, Louisiana.